Let's see the demo for our project titled as E727 Display of Users. We worked on displaying users list in user-friendly format using pagination, user display in hierarchical format based on user's parent, displaying additional information like assignment, courses, and teams users are working on. Let us log in as a super admin through the login page. Once you log in as a super admin in Expertisa, one should go to the Manage tab and then the users. This will take you to the users list. Let us see the first requirement, which is displaying K number of users per page. To do the K pagination requirement, we added a text box over here so that one user can add the number of users he or she wants to see. Let us press the show button. Now 10 users are being displayed over here, and this pagination option has 25 as the default as requested in the requirement doc. Let us see the next requirement, which is displaying the users created by the instructor. And also let's see the third requirement, which is displaying the users created by admin and those created by the instructors. Let's go to the third page. Over here we can see Stephen Todd, who is an admin, has created 2 users by clicking on the plus sign, which will collapse the 2 users created by Stephen Todd, which are Maria and Ricky. Maria and Ricky are at the level 1 of our hierarchy. If we collapse the plus sign of Ricky, who is an instructor, we can see the 2 users who were created by Ricky. Now again let's have a look at an instructor who was created by the super admin called as Kelly. Kelly created 3 other students, who are being displayed over here in the green color. So the green color displays the level 1 hierarchy, and the light orange color displays the level 2 hierarchy in the hierarchical format. Let us check the fourth requirement, which is displaying all users for the super admin. So whenever we come to the manage and user list page, all the users which are displayed over here on the first page as 25 being the default, and on the next page on all the rest of the page are all the users which were created by super admin. So here we can see the parent ID, and all have the same parent ID as super admin. And once we click on the collapse button to see, all the other users inside that are also based on the parent ID. So when I did the plus sign collapse button for Steve, I could see the 2 users which were created by Steve, and I can see their parent ID over here. And also the users which are listed in the user list are according to the alphabetical manner. Let's go to the fifth requirement, which is displaying users ordered by their parents. So as we can see and already explained, that users are ordered by their parents, the parents being in the alphabetical manner and based on the parent ID, and the users inside them also being in the alphabetical manner and based on again their parent IDs. Let's see the next requirement, which is displaying team names user is working on. So for this, let's go to the instructor Kelly. Kelly has 3 students who are working on different projects. If we keep our cursor on any of the project names over here, we can clearly see the user IDs of the users working on that particular project together. Let's go on the next requirement, which is displaying courses or assignment names a student is participating in, and also displaying the number of teammates user is participating in. To check these 3 attributes, we need to go to the profile page of a user by clicking on the username. Over here, let's click on Gayatri over here. When we go to Gayatri's profile page, we can see that she's working in a course called as Architecture of Parallel Computers. She's also working on an assignment called as APC Assignment 1, and she has in total worked with 2 different unique members, and in the bracket display is being displayed the course name. So our requirement was to display the number of users, unique users a user has worked with based on the course. So in the bracket you can always see the number of course, and as the number of assignments and courses and go on increasing, you can see the same information in comma separated manner. Let's take our last requirement, which is editing multiple user profiles simultaneously. Over here we have the clear all and check all button. To see that properly, let's do the pagination of 10 users per page. Over here, if we click on the check all button, all the users get selected on that particular page, and clear all will clear all of them. Let's select one of the student. Over here, let's select Daniel. He is having no on meta review and no on privacy, and he is also a student. Let's try and convert him to a TA. So let's go on the edit button. Over here, to keep the yes attribute, for to keep yes on every attribute you want, check the check boxes, and to change the student type to TA, also check on this button. And this will take us to the user list page with a user was successfully updated notice. And when we see the user Daniel over here, we can see now he is a teaching assistant and all the attributes are checked to yes.